Iterating each character in a string using Python. How can I iterate over a string in Python? Get each character from the string, one at a time, each time through a loop.
As Johannes pointed out, you can iterate pretty much anything in Python using the for loop construct. For example, open file.text returns a file object and opens the file. Iterating over it iterates over lines in that file. If that seems like magic, well, it kinda is, but the idea behind it is really simple. There's a simple iterator protocol that can be applied to any kind of object to make the for loop work on it. Simply implement an iterator that defines a next method, and implement an __iter___ method on a class to make it iterable. The __iter___ of course, should return an iterator object, that is, an object that defines next. See official documentation.
If you need access to the index as you iterate through the string, use enumerate.
Even easier.
Just to make a more comprehensive answer, the C way of iterating over a string can apply in Python, if you really want to force a square peg into a round hole. But then again, why do that when strings are inherently iterable?
Well, you can also do something interesting like this and do your job by using for loop. Answer is suryaa. However, since range, create a list of the values which is sequenced, thus you can directly use the name. This also produces the same result and also looks better and works with any sequence like list, tuple, and dictionary. We have used two built-in functions, bifs in Python community. 1. Range bif is used to create indexes. Example. 2. Len bif is used to find out the length of given string.
If you want to support the channel, please